So after several weeks of leaks and rumors, we finally have a solid announcement date for the Samsung Galaxy S10. The company will be holding an event on February 20, which is about a week before Mobile World Congress. And the most important information is somehow teased by Samsung at a very early spot. The Galaxy S10 will surely have a proper distinguishing look. The teaser itself shows a gradient look that actually looks like a solid color with some color shifting at the edge. To be very clear, I don't expect it to be there on the lower S10 models. However, Samsung will introduce S10 Lite with some good color options. Also, to give an early teaser related to the design of S10, Samsung has entered a marketing plot. The company recently published an article explaining its One UI Android Pie overhaul, and at the end of this whole explanation, they posted this. As you can see, we have a never seen Galaxy smartphone with a hole in display tag at the top right corner and a complete bezel-less view. The image had been taken down and got this replacement. This surely looks like a type of marketing stunt, but in either way, we got to see an official look. Now, this is not the first time when we are talking about an in-display fingerprint scanner for the Galaxy S10, as it's the most anticipated feature of this particular lineup. We all know that there will be at least 3 S10 phones next month with a significant price gap, and to maintain that gap, Samsung will take different steps for every single model. The Galaxy S10 Lite is the most important one, as it will attract a major group out there. But if you're interested in a display tag, then this may sound like a bad thing to you. According to a new information collected by Mobile Phone, this entry-level smartphone will not have an in-display thing, and I find it necessary for Samsung to maintain a lower price tag. Also, there's currently no evidence related to this information, as the S10 lineup will ditch an iris scanner, and to keep up with the change, Samsung will surely do something related to the phone security. But again, this information comes from a very reliable supplier in China, and I don't find any wrong point here. So yeah, the S10 lineup is all set to make an appearance, and for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.